Unlocking potential. How AI transforms your business operations. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the business landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for growth and innovation. By harnessing the power of AI, companies can analyze massive data sets swiftly, predict trends, and tailor their strategies to meet the ever-evolving market demands, setting a new standard for competitive advantage. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing digital entrepreneurship by enabling smarter, faster business processes. AI technologies help businesses predict customer behavior, optimize operations, and personalize marketing efforts, transforming traditional approaches and offering entrepreneurs a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. AI is particularly transformative in automating routine tasks, which enhances operational efficiency and reduces human error. From scheduling to data entry, AI tools allow employees to focus on more complex, value-added activities. This shift not only boosts productivity, but also empowers workers to contribute more creatively and meaningfully to their roles. Data analysis and decision-making processes have been profoundly enhanced by AI. With advanced algorithms, AI can process and analyze data far beyond human capabilities, providing deeper insights and more accurate forecasts. This enables businesses to make informed decisions quickly, adapting to market changes with agility and confidence. In the realm of customer service, AI is making significant strides through the use of chatbots and AI-driven support systems. These technologies provide 24/7 customer service, handling inquiries, and resolving issues faster than ever before. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also optimizes resource allocation and operational costs. A leading retail company exemplifies AI's successful integration, where it has streamlined inventory management and personalized marketing strategies. By analyzing customer data, AI predicts purchasing trends and manages stock levels efficiently, ensuring optimal availability while also enhancing the shopping experience through tailored recommendations. This strategic use of AI has notably increased sales and customer loyalty. AI-driven marketing strategies are revolutionizing how businesses interact with their customers. By harnessing machine learning, companies can now personalize advertisements, product recommendations, and promotional offers based on individual consumer behavior and preferences. This level of customization not only increases engagement, but also significantly boosts conversion rates. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, allows businesses to foresee market trends and consumer needs with remarkable accuracy. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI helps companies anticipate future demands, enabling them to efficiently allocate resources and strategically plan inventory, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition and meet customer expectations seamlessly. AI is also transforming the realm of cybersecurity. With its ability to learn and adapt, AI can identify potential threats and vulnerabilities faster than traditional methods. This proactive approach to security helps protect sensitive data and prevent breaches, instilling trust among consumers and safeguarding the company's reputation. In human resource management, AI is making a significant impact by streamlining the recruitment process and enhancing employee engagement. AI tools can quickly analyze resumes to find the most suitable candidates and can also monitor employee satisfaction and performance, helping HR departments to effectively address any issues and retain talent. Businesses employing AI gain a substantial competitive advantage by enhancing operational efficiency and reducing costs. AI facilitates smarter decision-making and automates labor-intensive tasks, freeing up human employees for more complex and creative tasks. This not only improves productivity, but also drives innovation within the organization. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of work by altering job roles and required skills. As AI automates repetitive tasks, employees can focus on complex problem-solving and strategic thinking. This shift not only demands a new skill set, but also creates opportunities for innovation in various sectors, encouraging a dynamic workforce evolution. AI's integration into supply chain management has significantly improved efficiency and accuracy. By predicting demand and optimizing logistics, AI tools help businesses manage inventory more effectively, reducing costs and enhancing customer satisfaction. This proactive approach allows companies to respond swiftly to market changes and maintain a competitive edge. Financial services have greatly benefited from AI in detecting fraud and managing risks. By analyzing large volumes of transactions in real time, AI systems can identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity, providing a crucial security layer. Additionally, these systems assist in assessing credit risks, ensuring more informed lending decisions. In the manufacturing sector, AI is pivotal in streamlining production processes and reducing operational costs. Through machine learning and automation, AI enables faster production times and higher quality outputs with minimal human intervention. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances workplace safety by reducing the risk of human error. The discussion around AI ethics has become increasingly important as its applications grow. Ensuring responsible AI usage involves addressing issues like bias in data and algorithms, transparency in AI decisions, and the societal impact of automation. Developing ethical guidelines and standards is essential to foster trust and fairness in AI technologies. AI is transforming the environmental sector by optimizing energy use in businesses. Through intelligent algorithms, companies can now predict peak energy demands and adjust consumption, leading to significant reductions in energy waste. This not only cuts costs, but also lessens the environmental footprint of industries, promoting sustainable business practices. Small businesses might feel that AI is out of their reach, yet many accessible AI tools can significantly boost their operations. Simple AI applications can automate administrative tasks, analyze customer data to improve service, or optimize websites for better user engagement. This democratization of technology allows small enterprises to compete more effectively on a larger scale. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing diagnostics and patient care. It enables faster, more accurate diagnoses through advanced imaging analysis and predictive models that assess patient risks. AI-driven tools also personalize patient management plans, improving treatment outcomes and operational efficiencies in medical facilities, thereby elevating the overall quality of healthcare services. Despite its numerous benefits, AI implementation comes with challenges and limitations. Businesses often face hurdles such as high initial costs, data quality issues, and a lack of skilled personnel to manage AI systems. Understanding these limitations is crucial for organizations to develop effective strategies to overcome them and fully leverage AI capabilities. AI is spurring innovation across various sectors by enabling companies to design and develop new products tailored to consumer needs. Through data analysis and pattern recognition, AI identifies market trends and customer preferences, which helps businesses innovate more effectively and maintain competitive edges in their respective markets. AI combined with big data forms a dynamic duo that revolutionizes business intelligence. By harnessing vast data sets, AI can uncover patterns and insights that are invisible to human analysts. This capability allows companies to make more informed decisions, predict market trends, and tailor their strategies to meet precise customer needs efficiently. In the realm of internal business communication, AI tools are proving invaluable. They enhance communication flows and ensure messages are conveyed clearly and promptly. By analyzing communication patterns, AI can suggest improvements and automate routine information exchanges, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks that require a personal touch. Addressing the skills gap is crucial as businesses adopt more AI-driven processes. Training programs are essential to equip employees with the necessary skills to work alongside AI technologies. By investing in continuous learning and development, businesses can ensure their workforce remains competitive and capable of leveraging AI effectively. The economic impact of AI is profound, influencing both job creation and job displacement. While AI automates tasks and can replace certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities in sectors like AI maintenance, programming, and system management. The key for businesses is to balance automation with human talent enhancement to foster a symbiotic growth environment. In e-commerce, AI is transforming how businesses manage inventory and interact with customers. Personalized shopping experiences powered by AI algorithms analyze consumer behavior and preferences to tailor product recommendations and promotions, significantly boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, AI enhances inventory management, making it more precise and cost-effective. In the realm of regulatory compliance, AI is proving to be a game changer. It helps businesses stay ahead of regulatory changes by automatically updating systems in accordance with new laws. AI-driven systems can also monitor and audit business operations continuously, ensuring compliance and reducing the risk of costly penalties. Looking ahead, the future trends in AI technology promise to further influence business strategies and operations. Innovations such as advanced machine learning models and AI-driven decision-making platforms are set to enhance predictive capabilities, personalization, and operational efficiency across various business sectors. For businesses considering AI adoption, the initial steps involve identifying specific challenges where AI can have a significant impact. It's crucial to start with a clear strategy, choose the right tools, and possibly partner with AI experts to integrate and scale AI solutions effectively while ensuring staff are adequately trained to work alongside new AI systems. Measuring the ROI of AI implementations is critical for businesses to assess the value generated by their investments. By quantifying improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and revenue growth, companies can justify ongoing AI expenditures and refine their strategies to maximize returns, ensuring that AI projects align with broader business objectives. Integrating AI with emerging technologies like IoT and blockchain can create powerful synergies that enhance business operations. For instance, AI can analyze data from IoT devices to optimize processes, while blockchain can provide secure and transparent environments for these AI-driven decisions, leading to more efficient and trustworthy systems. Addressing privacy concerns in AI development is essential for maintaining consumer trust and compliance with regulations. By implementing robust data protection measures and transparent policies, businesses can ensure that their AI systems safeguard user information, fostering a safer and more secure digital environment for all stakeholders. In the advertising industry, AI is revolutionizing how companies target and engage with customers. By analyzing consumer behavior and preferences, AI enables advertisers to craft personalized ads that resonate more effectively with audiences. This targeted approach not only enhances user experience, but also increases the efficacy of marketing campaigns. Corporate training and development programs are increasingly incorporating AI to provide personalized learning experiences and to track employee progress. AI-driven platforms can adapt to the individual learning pace of each employee, offering tailored content that meets their specific needs and skills, gaps, thus enhancing overall workplace competence and productivity. AI in logistics and transportation is revolutionizing how goods are moved around the world. By optimizing routes and delivery systems, AI reduces fuel consumption and improves delivery times, ensuring that businesses can operate more efficiently and environmentally consciously. This technology also adapts in real time to traffic and weather conditions, minimizing delays. AI is becoming an invaluable tool for businesses during crises. By analyzing data from various sources, AI can predict potential disruptions and devise effective response strategies. This proactive approach helps companies maintain operations and mitigate impacts on supply chains, safeguarding both profitability and reputation in uncertain times. Debunking myths about AI is crucial for its adoption. AI is not a replacement for human workers, but a tool that augments their capabilities. It cannot solve all problems independently and requires careful management and integration into existing systems to truly be effective, highlighting the importance of setting realistic expectations. AI's influence extends beyond individual companies, impacting global markets and economies. It enables businesses to operate across borders more seamlessly, with sophisticated algorithms that can manage and analyze data from multiple sources, languages, and regions. This global reach is not just enhancing operational efficiency, but also fostering international collaboration. As businesses look to the future, embracing AI technology will be key to staying competitive. AI offers insights and automation that can dramatically enhance efficiency and innovation. Companies adopting this technology will likely lead their industries, leveraging AI's power to transform data into strategic opportunities, ensuring a smarter, more efficient business landscape.